bitch like you. We've established this. This is the 14th show where I've had to say that my oldest child is the biggest bitch in my family. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode 14. And I have a special guest. This is Yvette. This is Eric's girlfriend. And she is going to help me make... What? Allegedly. We're going to make...
question.
What'd you say?
Considering having question.
We're making pecan melt-away cookies. We were going to make pecan pie brownies.
Yes.
But...
It's 12 hours.
And you have to cool them. And they just sounded like the brownies were going to be like a brick. So I just said, what else can I do with pecans? Because I bought them. So we're going to do these... What?
Why'd you buy pecans?
Because we were going to make pecan pie brownies.
Yeah, why would you buy pecans? Nobody likes pecans.
Well, everybody likes them.
Nobody.
I like pecans.
I like them.
Pecans, so.
Okay, well then, he's a good man for liking pecans.
Oh!
I corrected myself. He was not a good man.
I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
edit that one out.
Okay, so, yeah. In here, we have very easy ingredients, I will tell you that.
Hold on.
Okay. A cup of butter softened. Half a cup of powdered sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla. 3/4 of a cup of pecans chopped. And 2 1/4 cups of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm going to let Yvette take the wheel here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so put the powdered sugar in
What
here.
am I doing?
Okay.
And then you have that
Not that way, not that way. That's wrong.
Stop! You're scaring me! Okay.
And then just turn it on over here.
Nope.
Up
not
to
there.
what number?
Other way.
Just go like 2 or 3. Okay, Bill.
So,
We're back. So
are
let's,
you sure?
yes, hold on. And then we're going to put this back on. Gosh darn it. Am I on it?
So what you put in butter and powdered sugar so far?
Butter and powdered sugar. And then now we're going to add in all this flour.
Okay.
You're going to scoop it in when I turn the mixer on, but we're going to have it on low right now because it really... So she's going to put in the 2 1/4 cups flour, and there's a 1/4 cup of salt. I mean, a 1/4 cup. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there.
Now what are you doing?
I'm trying to get the butter mixed in because we didn't have the bowl down. Okay?
To have the bowl down where?
See how this adjusts? I'll show you. Hold on.
How do you mess up that badly?
Because...
You've been doing this for
Because-
60 years.
60.
I'm here. I'm distracting her.
Okay, look. Right? See how that goes up? We didn't have it up the whole time, so the butter wasn't combined. So here's the dough. I think we did well. See, now it looks way better, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, there's the dough. It's kind of a stiff dough.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah. That's what she said. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're going to chill it. It's like 30 minutes. I'm going to put it in the freezer and chill it. And when we come back, we're going to roll them into 1-inch balls.
Okay.
And then roll them in powdered sugar. And then you bake them. Okay? We'll be back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Welcome back. We chilled the dough. I cheated a little because the dough was really hard when it came out of the oven. And so this one's kind of janky. They don't yeah, really. They don't come out perfectly round like the picture shows. I mean, unless you're just like going to sit here for 4 hours and just do that.
No,
So
you're not willing to do that.
we are. So let's grab some dough.
I'm committed.
And so we're going to roll it. And then we just roll it in all the way through the powdered sugar. And it's red powdered sugar too. See, my little assistant here helping me. It's good. And then I guess when you take them out of the oven, you roll them in powdered sugar again. Okay, so we got our whole row here. And they are going to put those into the oven.
Why are you talking like that? Why are you talking
I'm
like
Julia Child. I think that's that was her name. I don't know. Because I'm a dork. Okay. They're going in. Look at the camera.
Oh. I'm making for the next episode.
Yeah, I know. You're going ahead of the game here. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Ray Network. And we will be back shortly when the cookies come out of the oven. And we're back. We have 4 seconds, and they're going to come out the oven right now. Boop.
Ooh. It smells really good.
Yeah. And they look the same.
Debz told her to say that.
Sorry.
That's not true.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take about 3 minutes, so we can come back again one more time. We have to let them cool a little, and we're going to roll them again in the powdered sugar. Here, we'll put this batch in. Yeah. We're going to roll them again in powdered sugar, and then we'll do our little taste test. So we'll be back in 2 and 2.
They don't give a shit.
Do you know what 2 and 2 is? You guys probably don't remember because you guys are young. There was a show called Love Something.
Wow. Love something.
Love Something. It was like a dating kind of show, and he would
Love
always no, not Love Boat. That was like in the 70s. I'll get the name of it.
30 in the 70s.
No, it
Oh
wasn't.
my goodness.
He used to say, "We'll be back in 2 and 2," and that's just that joke. So you guys just don't get it.
Yeah.
Right over
Right
your
over
head.
Nobody gives a shit.
All right. Let's do the clap.
You
We'll be
clap.
back.
Is that what you're saying?
See, now you get to see what happens behind the scenes with this asshole, right?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're gonna do your little end.
We're gonna do our taste test, but I gotta roll them in
I know.
more sugar.
Come on. 3.
And we're back.
Ta-da.
Tell her what you tried to do.
I tried to make it look like a Christmas tree for the holiday spirit,
But
but it kind of looks like a pile of rocks.
okay. Okay.
Baby Snorlax,
Yeah.
can you come here? We want you to be our tester.
Baby Snorlax.
Baby Snorlax.
Come here, sweetie. Hashtag.
Do you want milk?
Hashtag Baby Snorlax.
Let's eat the whole thing.
Well, yeah, because you're gonna get powdered sugar. Face the camera.
like one of these.
You're gonna burn yourself. It literally. It's good.
What does it taste like?
I've had some that taste like this before, but I can't think of
Not a
it.
powdered donut, right?
Do you like the pecans or do you hate them?
I like. Sorry.
Oh my, he's not a bitch like you. We've established this. This is the 14th show where I've had to say that my oldest child is the biggest bitch in my family.
Yeah. He was hating on the pumpkin cookies, but on the side he ate all of them.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, one.
So.
So these are cute.
Dad.
What do you say?
Call me a douchebag. I know where my daughter gets
Get me
it from.
chippies, douchebag. So these are cute. I mean, I would like to have them be a little bit more circular and round, but they're good.
They're good.
So we get to taste one too now. Are we gonna do our little thing?
Yes.
Gosh.
Cheers.
Ooh. Come here, Bill.
good.
No, Bill, you gotta taste it.
I'm not.
No, come
Please,
here.
Come on.
Come on.
I will.
Come on.
I'll
Hurry up.
turn off the
Just
camera.
a
I'm
bite.
not eating them.
One
Come
bite.
on, one
Fuck off.
bite. One
Yeah.
bite,
You're gonna-
dude.
Come on.
No.
I'm not gonna stop until you
I'll
come.
just turn
Bro,
off the camera.
come
Come
on,
I'm not doing it.
Bill.
It's so good.
You gotta
No.
try it.
Billy, these are so good.
You gotta try hers.
Come on, one
I
bite.
don't want it. I'm not trying it.
Watch what he does. All right.
Don't
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share, share, share. You gotta tell your friends too to share.
Share, share, share.
You're on Mama Debz, so when you post it, tell your friends to share it.
Yes.
Okay.
I am.
We'll see you next week. I'm not even sure what I'm making, if it's food or if it's gonna be cooked baking.
Is that not food?
Well, I mean, like dinner or a meal or whatever. I got powdered sugar everywhere.
Either way, it's gonna be wrong.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.